one box of 2024 Topps Pro Debut Baseball Hobby for Ryan B. So good luck here, Ryan. Let's do it, buddy. Pro Debut Hobby. Hey, thanks, James. Appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for the follow as well. Appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Oh, yeah. All right, Ryan. So all cards do ship out of this, which is nice. So I'll sleeve and top load all your, pretty much anything that's numbered or anything. Jordan Beck to 150 is your first auto for the Hartford Yard Goats. My hometown team growing up. Nice one there on the blue. That is kind of wild, actually, John. I'm in on that. I'm very in. X-Fractor, Josue DePaula, not numbered for the what was that? Rancho Cucamonga Quakes. Dodgers affiliate. Dylan Lesko. All right, Ray grabbing some pirate spots. Refractor of Cade Horton. Just sleeve and top load these. No, yeah, no Bridgeport Bluefish. True, very true. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is true. That is fair. Scott Rowland, Wyatt Langford for the Round Rock Express, obviously a Ranger affiliate. Luis Guanipa, nice one there on the base auto for the FCL Braves. Congrats on that. And base. Chase Davis on the Chrome Refractor for the Cardinals. Palm Beach Cardinals. All base pack. Edgar Cuero on the refractor. See a White Sox, I believe. Yeah, Birmingham Barons. That would check out. And then a Brandon Maea. Nice one there on the mini diamonds. So 175 for the Yanks. FCL Yankees. Brandon Maea. Brando Maea. Congrats on that. Refractors, Hunter Holland for the Reds. There are some really nice skeins in this, yes. He has a couple of duals and triples. I think somebody pulled the Superfractor of him already. Robbie Snelling. Nice one there. San Antonio Missions. Believe he's still a Padre. Nice one there. Robbie Snelling on the base auto. Yeah, Skeens has a lot of nice stuff in this. Blade Tidwell, Binghamton Rumble Ponies. That is New York Mets affiliates. Samuel Basayo for the Bowie Bay Sox. They are the Baltimore Orioles, of course. And then a Hunter Holland on the pink for the Reds. The ACL Reds, Hunter Holland. To 99 is Griff McGarry for the Lehigh Valley Iron Pigs. I believe they're Phillies, if I'm not mistaken. Nice one there on the green. That is horizontal. Griff McGarry. Could be wrong on that, but I believe that's what it is. There, Guess grabbing a couple of tennis spots. Very nice. Base. Dylan Head for the Lake Elsinore Storm. Padres. Sebastian Walcott and base. Brock Wilken for the Biloxi Shuckers. Nice one there. They're a Brewer affiliate. Hawk and base. A few more packs here, Mr. Ryan. Thanks again for your order. Appreciate it. I know, I got the Georgia game on now. Refractor of Jace Young for the Erie Seawolves. That is a Detroit Tigers affiliate. And last pack for you, Ryan. Good luck, buddy. Be a refractor of Ryan Clifford, Brooklyn Cyclones. Base, base, and base. That'll do it for your break there, Ryan. Thanks again for the support as always, buddy. Get him right out to you, my man.